What's up, everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to True Diaries. Hi sa mga kawan ko dari Indonesia, namasaya John Dari Philippines, and salamat to tayo kay Truly Asia Diaries. For today, we're back for another Nona reaction, and this is for their newest single, Honk, which is, I think it's a dance video, but plus 62. I think this is a more groovy and also more cinematic dance video for their single. So I'm so excited to check this out. Thank you so much for requesting this. Orchids, mega love shout out to all of you. And of course, before we proceed, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Whoa, oh, so it's a night time. And look at that neon lights. What, my God, the details. And of course, the honk boss is here. There you go, guys. We have Esther, Shazva, Vila, and Christy. Ooh. There's Ben at the back as well. They're serving face. Hey. Oh my God, I love the camera angles and the execution. I think that's why it's plus 62. I'm not sure, guys. You can comment down below. Let me know in the comment section. Let's go back to that. Hey. Very sultry and sexy. Hey. Go, Esther. Love it, stuff. Whoa. Look at that. Amazing movement. That camera angle. Oh my God. This is so lit. Like, you can see the body movements showcasing their choreography of this song and showcasing their dance prowess is really, really good. Love it. Hey. Whoa. Look at them. Hey, like, is it Kaka Ate? Oh my God, it's so cool. Hey. Oh, there's people doing the motorcycle at the back. Whoa. Looks like a music video, guys. Love the production. Hey. Look at the body movement and the facial expression. They are serving face card. Whoa, that is so cool. Serving face card, body movement, sultriness, and sexiness. Plus these amazing song. Oh my God. And the production, guys. There's even at the back doing some exhibition in the motorcycle. You know, the production is so good. Hey. Hey, and look how they're enjoying it. Love it. Hey. Whoa, love it. Amazing. There you have it, guys. That is Nona for Honk plus 62 dance video. Oh my gosh. I love, first of all, kudos to the production and the concept behind this plus 62 video. Oh my God. It looks like a music video, guys. They nailed every elements of the video or the background, you know, those neon lights, the motorcycle at the back, the bands, the The bus is there. Oh my God. Plus, of course, these amazing girls really, really nailed it. And I love the camera angle showcasing their movements. And also, like, the transition is so good. Plus, their facial expression. Serving face card. And of course, sultry, vocal, and sexy. Love the beat. Love the energy only from Nona. What can you say about this plus 62 video of Honk? You can comment down below and let me know in the comment section. Of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Lasia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.